Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to we're going to go to service mode on a Canon printer. So this Canon with imageRUNNER advanced 4525i, but it can work on different models of Canon. So to what I know, so I've seen a lot of people making videos, but they are a little bit quicker or faster. So some people in the comments, then they start saying, why are you hiding this and this? So that pushed me to do this video anyway. So what you do, you press this guy who's like a star, then you press 2 with the 8 at the same time, then you go back and press a star. You wait, you can see then you are in service mode. Some people go to do whatever they want to do, restore situation, update LUI mask, then model list. You can click here, then you can say copier, feeder, sorter, fax, whatever. I can go here. Okay, after going there, maybe I can go to function. Then after that, then I can say decide, okay, what I want to do. I want to say clear. If I want to clear, what do I have to clear? I can clear the history, jump history, error history, also the errors. When I click on that, then I can say okay, okay. When I'm done, and I can go to jump history, say okay, okay. Then I can go to also error history, also do what? Okay, okay. So once you're done with that, whatever reason you want to be here, then I can say maybe test. Let me go to test. PG, whatever network and all that. Okay, see. Okay, okay, we won't go far, but I don't know why you're here. But if you wanted to be in there, then you can be there. So I really don't know what you're looking for, but at least I brought you to service mode. Yeah guys, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. But anyway, let me see, remember what I did. Press star 2 and 8 at the same time, then star, then I go to service mode, right? Okay, that's it guys. So the reason why we're doing that, we wanted to be there some problem with the fuser. I had a problem with the fuser, so I had to do what? To take out the fuser. So we cleared the error still when the machine is about to print, so the fuser was not moving. That's why it came up with that error. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. We're just busy trying to sort out the fuser, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share. But also, if you have any issue with other machines, we work with different machines like Ryko, Bizab, HP, Epson. We have a lot of videos on a couple of things. We're not saying we know all, but we have some information. Whatever we discover, then we share with you guys. See you in the next video.